Hi guys, welcome to AutoShare India. In this video, we will talk about the cars launched in the Indian market in the month of February 2021. 2021 Swift is powered by 1.2-liter K-Series dual-jet petrol engine with idle start-stop technology, available in combination with both a manual gearbox and AGS, that is auto gear shift. The new K-Series engine belts out an increased power output of 88.5 bhp at 6000 rpm. The all-new Tata Safari 2021 is available in a diesel engine with a capacity of 2-liter 4 cylinders. The key specification of Tata Safari includes Omega Arc derived from the Land Rover's D8 platform. The Renault Kiger has 1-liter petrol engine on offer. It is available with both manual and automatic transmission. Depending upon the variant and fuel type, the Kiger has a mileage of 20 kmpl. The Kiger is a 5-seater and has a length of 3991 mm, width of 1750 mm and a wheelbase of 2500 mm. Jeep Compass price in India starts at Rs 16.99 lakhs. The lowest price model in Jeep Compass is the 1.4-liter Sport, and the most priced model of the Jeep Compass is the 2-liter S4x4 diesel automatic, priced at Rs 28.29 lakhs. BMW has launched the 3 Series Grand Limousine sedan in India. The sedan is available in 2 variants, that is the 320LD Luxury Line and 330Li M Sport. It gets the same petrol and diesel engines as the standard 3 Series. The 2-liter turbo petrol engine is good for 258 bhp and a torque of 400 Nm, while the 2-liter diesel unit develops 190 bhp and a torque of 400 Nm. Both engines are mated to a 8-speed automatic transmission. The Volvo S60 has a 2-liter petrol engine on offer. It is available with an automatic transmission. The S60 is a 5-seater and has a length of 4761 mm, width of 2040 mm and a wheelbase of 2872 mm. The price of the MG Hector Sharp CVT in New Delhi is Rs 18.09 lakhs. It is powered by a 1.5-liter engine which is available with an automatic transmission. The 1.5-liter engine puts out 143 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. The facelifted Toyota Fortuner has been launched in India. It is priced between Rs 29.98 lakhs and Rs 37.58 lakhs. Toyota offers the facelifted SUV in a 7-seater layout. The facelifted Fortuner comes with the same set of petrol and diesel engines as in the previous model. While the 2.7-liter petrol unit produces 166 bhp and a torque of 245 Nm, which is offered in the same state of tune. The upgraded 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine puts out 204 bhp and a torque of 500 Nm. In the pre-facelift model, the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine churned out 177 bhp and a torque of 420 Nm. The facelifted Fortuner is offered with both 6-speed manual and automatic transmissions, along with the rear-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive systems.